I was one of a handful of reporters who was given access to the court gallery today as former President Trump appeared for his first appearance on the latest indictment related to the January 6th insurrection. Mr. Trump, the former president, entered at about 3:51 p.m. and he waited for almost 25 minutes for the magistrate judge to arrive and for the hearing to begin. The former president was briefed by the magistrate judge about the 4 counts that he faces against him and the prison time, which would add up to decades in prison, were he to be convicted of those crimes. There wasn't really much discussion beyond that about the case because this was an initial hearing, but they set a future hearing for later this month and indicated that they want the case to move as quickly as possible. By and large, before the hearing, Trump was talking to both of his lawyers, looking through papers, and kind of glancing around the room, including in Smith's direction. Once the hearing began, he was much more silent and not really moving his head, not nodding very much, and he looked directly at the magistrate judge, as she read out the charges that he faces, the potential prison time were he to be convicted, and some of the other things that any magistrate judge would tell a criminal defendant in his first appearance in court.